Hello and welcome to a quick update about Terra Luna. A few people have asked for it, but actually everything was said already in my last video. Still wanted to keep you updated. A few days ago we were here around 75 US dollars. Made a video and told you that as per my Elliott wave count here, I would assume that we could still see another leg up, and I think we also saw here some indicators swinging around, and this gets now confirmed by rising prices, and we could really see this fifth wave play out. So as pretty much forecasted, the price is going up, and it has also gone through some important fib levels here. We've gone through the 0.5 fib level at $78, basically gone through, retested, and now have moved even above the 0.382 fib level at 84 US dollars. And provided we can now break 93, which is the next fib level, and the next resistance here at $93, which is the 0.214 fib level, and then the all-time high, I think the next resistance level after that would be here, that $118. But a fifth wave, as this one seems to be, can be short. Yeah, a fifth wave can also possibly only go all the way up to the previous all-time high, to the wave 3. Could then be a so-called truncation. So be aware that this will be significant resistance here at 104 if we can get there. But this is also a significant one here. So a wave 5 is normally a little bit difficult. Yeah, it can also be a bit shorter than the wave 3 in the worst case, but typically you would expect it to be longer. So yeah, I would go here with $118 or $136 potentially, but only if we can really break here that all-time high at 104 US dollars. Certainly looking not too bad at the moment for our chart. Still a little bit of scope, but at some point, possibly when we get all the way up to 92, we could see some resistance. I mean, we did break it now, so assume we could really get to that next level here at 92, 93. Before we see a little bit of retrace, we need to bring that 4-hour RSI down again before we can then move the next one up. The MACD gave us a buy signal here as well yesterday, and on the daily we are only now just after that correction that we had here from that wave 3 to the wave 4. We are now seeing a potentially another buy signal. So you get here on the MACD, on the daily, a bullish cross, and on the RSI you're also back in the bullish range. So all of that is telling me that we could really here see some more upside. I'd be careful here with that ascending trend line that we can define here. If certainly a few signs to look out for, you know, we've got obviously that previous low here, that ascending trend line, the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. So we've got the ascending trend line. If we broke that to the downside today, the key support here, it's $70. That is also where we've got pretty much the 0.618 fib level. The good thing is, if we lose any support here, the 0.6 fib level is still there. The 0.618 at $72. So that's a very, very important fib level here for that. Yeah. Then the 50-day moving average is here also around $75. So certainly also a key support level. And that trend line for me is crucial. If you lose that trend line, and then I mean, then you still could go down to 63. But that would obviously be not a great sign, you know. I think as soon as you break that trend line, that immediate uptrend is over. As long as that, you know, as always, what I say, a good entry could be whenever we pull back here to an ascending trend line. You know, usually many traders will go in, will go long when there is a pullback to a trend line or a pullback to a moving average. And if you want to get more trading ideas, no financial advice, but trading ideas, check out my second channel. It's called More Trading Online. You can find the link in the video description. And there you can find some more stuff about, you know, how to use indicators, how to read charts, and so on. So a lot of tutorials and also strategies about how trading could be done. Now, yeah, we've broken that fib level here, the 0.382, and we could now really move to the next level. Given those indicators here as well and the Elliott wave count, everything's telling me we could see a little bit more scope here to the upside. I think it's going as forecasted in the last video, which is nice to see. Don't forget, last time channel members took, well, everybody who's following me on with my buy and sell orders took profits here at around $100. That was pretty much the peak. Let's see if we're going to get there. At the moment, I would expect that we certainly get to 93, and I think we definitely could, with that wave 5 going on, definitely could test the all-time high again. And then if we break it in the price discovery phase, we could get first of all to 118 and then 136. I think all of that is realistic, especially if I look here at the daily indicator. The weekly one here, the MACD, has lost a bit of momentum, but if that fifth wave is now playing out, I think it's going to gain it again. We have also come out of the overbought range on the weekly RSI, which is a good sign, but we need to be careful because we've got here obviously a bit of a descending or bearish divergence playing out on the weekly RSI. So overall, I think it's looking not too bad. Terra Luna is doing well anyway. It's got great tokenomics. Whenever a stablecoin is issued via that system, Terra Luna coins have to be burned. It's just amazing, I think, and that over time will increase the value of Terra Luna. But also here at the moment, the charts point towards more upside, but be very careful. As per the Elliott wave count that I also showed you in the last video, this is a wave 5 of a wave 5. And after that, you could get that larger correction, and that could really take us down into this blue area here. Let's see if that's actually going to play out. But for now, there is more scope. All right, in my view, no guarantee and no financial advice. Come to your own conclusion. Watch a few other videos as well, you know, and with the knowledge that you learn here on this channel and my other channel, and hopefully some other resources, you will be, I know a lot of people are now already able to recharge themselves and come to their own conclusions, which is really, really important. All right, hopefully you liked the update, just a quick one. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.